Today, I will show you how to mirror objects in AutoCAD. Want to create perfect symmetry with just a few clicks? You don't want to miss this. Let's dive in. The mirror command is one of the quickest ways to duplicate shapes in AutoCAD. It reflects objects across an axis, saving you time and keeping your designs balanced. Think of it like a mirror in real life. Whatever is on the other side is duplicated on the other side but flipped. Let's dive in. To use the mirror command, you move to your home tab and you choose the icon mirror here. It's going to prompt you to select the object you want to mirror. Right click over the object and press enter. It's going to ask you to specify the mirror point. So for that, we are going to choose the axis of symmetry. So this is the axis of symmetry for this shape. And I click to this bottom. Erase source object, yes or no. So we don't want to erase this other object. We want to keep it alive. So we put no. We don't want to erase it. That's it. Now you know how to use the mirror command in AutoCAD like a pro. This tool makes it easy to create symmetrical designs quickly. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more AutoCAD tips. See you in the next video.